वतन जे लाइ सभु कुझु क़ुर्बान करे छॾियो उन लाइ जो ही अव्हां जी पनाह गाह आहे। अगरि ही आहे त तव्हां हिन जे आगोश में पनाह वठी सघो था। हिन जे बग़ैर तव्हां जी का बि हैसियत नाहे। कोल मुबारक हज़रत पीर बादशाह ख्वाजा गुल हसन कुदुस। जश्न आज़ादी मुबारक। We extend heartfelt reverence to His Holiness Peer Muhammad Sadiq Qureshi, the Peer of Lari Sharif, whose guidance inspires unwavering loyalty to Pakistan and calls upon us to serve, sacrifice, and strive for its strength and progress.
ये वतन तुम्हारा है, तुम हो पास इसके।
We also honor the leadership that shaped our nation and those who continue to guide Pakistan forward. Leaders, thinkers, workers, citizens who uphold the spirit of independence with dedication and resilience.
तुम्हारा है, तुम हो
Among the eminent leaders carrying forward the cause of Pakistan's progress and security, we extend our heartfelt felicitations to President Asif Ali Zardari, whose vision and governance reflect an unwavering resolve to strengthen national unity and uphold the continuity of democracy.
रंगो आब तुम
We likewise pay tribute to Chief of Army Staff Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, whose heroic resolve stands as a bulwark for our nation's defense and a source of pride for every Pakistani.
ये वतन तुम्हारा है।
Happy Independence Day to all patriots whose hearts beat for this beloved land, especially to those who stood fearlessly in its defense. The brave soldiers of Armed Forces of Pakistan and the valiant Mujahid force of Jamaat Bari Sharif.
रंगो आब
But defense is not only fought on the battlefield. The greatest strength of a nation lies in the unity of its people. As His Holiness Peer Muhammad Sadiq Qureshi wisely said, unity makes the journey easier.
ये वतन तुम्हारा है, तुम हो पास इसके।
This was the very spirit with which a new nation was born, a spirit captured in the timeless voice of Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who said, "My message to you all is of hope, courage, and confidence. Let us mobilize all our resources in a systematic and organized way and tackle the grave issues that confront us with grim determination and discipline worthy of a great nation."
इस वतन के परचम को सरबलंद ही रखना।
And behind that vision stood the dreamer, Allama Muhammad Iqbal, who reminded and still reminds us of our worth.
ये चमन तुम्हारा है,
अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर, हर फर्द है मिल्लत के मुक़द्दर का सितारा. Today, let us honor the soil beneath our feet, the sacrifice behind our freedom, and the faith that still unites us.
इसके।
Happy Independence Day from Jamaat Bari Sharif. Long live Pakistan.